In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared Google Calendar using our detailed 2025 full guide. This will help you effortlessly coordinate schedules with your family, friends, or colleagues. Let's dive right into it. First, navigate to Google Calendar. If you're not familiar with the process, simply open your web browser and search for Google Calendar. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Sign In. This step is crucial because accessing your Google Calendar requires logging into your Google account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is an entirely different process but relatively straightforward. After signing in, you'll see your calendar dashboard. The next step is to create a new calendar. Look around your screen, usually within the settings or additional options area, where you'll find a plus icon. Clicking on this will give you the option to create new calendar. This is where your adventure in calendar creation truly begins. When prompted, you'll need to enter the name of your calendar. Choosing a clear and specific name is key, as it helps you and your group members understand what this calendar is for at a glance. Once you've settled on a name, you have the option to add a description. Use this field to provide any necessary details or guidelines that you think will be helpful for your group. Next, select the appropriate time zone for your calendar. Time zones are vital to ensuring all appointments and reminders show up at the right time for everyone involved. Double check this setting to avoid any scheduling mishaps down the line. Once everything seems in order, hit the Create Calendar button. Congratulations, you've just created a shared calendar. Now, let's move on to sharing it with others. Select the new calendar you've just created from the list. You'll want to navigate to share with specific people. This is usually found in the settings of your new calendar. Click on Add People in Groups to start inviting your group mates. You can enter the email addresses or names of the people you wish to share the calendar with. Google Calendar allows you to customize permissions for each participant. Decide whether each added member can merely view, make changes, or even manage the sharing options themselves. Once you've set the permissions, click Send to notify your group members. They will receive an invitation to the shared calendar, making collaboration a breeze. Finally, to keep things organized, you can use color coding. Assign different colors to differentiate your shared group calendar from your personal agendas. This helps maintain a clear visual distinction between various commitments. And there you have it. You've successfully created and shared a Google Calendar. With this tool, collaboration has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your future scheduling.